Open Android Studio and create new project. Select empty views activity, new, and I name it as French teacher. Click finish. The first step is to design the layout. So go to the activity_main.xml, choose split mode, and in this layout, I'll add 1 text view and 5 buttons. I'll drag and drop this hello world, change it as French teacher app. I'll copy this to the drawable folder, paste it, and make sure that the name of this image will start with small letters and no numbers. Click OK, and here I'll add the attribute background at the drawable wallpaper. Here we go. I need to edit that text, so color would be white and size 32 sp. I'll drag and drop it to here, and this is good. Then I'll create 5 buttons with different colors. Don't miss to invert the constraints. And this is our first button. Again, a second button. The third button. The fourth button. And the last button. And this is our layout. 1 text view and 5 buttons.